Good morning, everyone. My name is Esteban Osorio Moreno. This is step number one of the activity.
What's your name?
My name is Esteban Osorio Moreno.
How do you spell your family name?
I spell that Osorio Moreno.
Where are you from?
I am from Tunja, Boyacá.
Are you working or studying at the moment?
At the moment, I'm only studying at the university.
How interested are you in learning about other countries?
I am really into learning about new countries and cultures because I have the opportunity to improve my English skills and to make some connections with new people and new knowledge.
How do you enjoy spending your free time?
In my free time, I really like to hang out with some friends to the cinema, to the park, or to the mall. And if I am alone, I like reading and practicing the piano.
What's the best way for you to improve your English?
One of the best way that I improve my English is watching series in English, reading in English, and always try to learn a new word every day to improve my English. Sorry, I didn't hear the question.
If you could learn a new skill, what would it be?
If I would be able to acquire a new skill, that would be understand all the languages in the world, to speak with other cultures, countries, and other new people. I'm sorry for the video so long because I had some internet issues in my house. Thank you very much.